So let me show you how to create a poll in Messages on your iPhone Air. So you want to go to the Messages app and then open up the conversation of the person you want to send that poll or even a group chat, and then tap on the plus symbol on the left hand side and then tap on polls. That's going to give you your poll choices. So you can put in your choices. So it could be yes or no or maybe, depending on what poll you're creating. And then you can even add up to a fourth choice and a fifth one. And then now you can tap on the comment section and then ask your question. So are we going to Diani? Okay, and then once you send that, then that's going to be the poll you're going to send to either a group chat or a message. So when someone responds, they'll just check one of the responses, and then you can be able to see, even in a graphical format, the responses of that particular poll. Thanks for watching and good luck.